What made you want to choose like a GTR over like some other cars that are in this price bracket?
It stands out.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You can have all the others, Hellcats, nothing against them, and all that good stuff, but this definitely just stands out as an iconic vehicle.
Oh yeah, you don't have to convince me, man. This is like I said, the dream car for me. The only car I'd like more than the FD is this car right here.
We're sedan.
Oh, you heard it here first, even though that's my dream car one day, but you made it. I'm like in shock still, just waiting. Yeah, you'll see soon enough while we're at the airport. Traveled across the country for one thing, start the year off right. And yeah, can't wait. So, see you then. Damn. This is so surreal right now. Like, I can't believe I'm standing in front of my future GTR. Like, I can't believe this day's come. Like, this is insane. Oh my God. So awesome. I can't wait to show it to you guys.
Good?
Yep. Dude, it is so insane that I have this car, man. Like, I'm like speechless right now. But yeah, so we're here in Jersey. I didn't know you couldn't pump your own gas here. It's kind of fucking weird, but whatever. But yeah, loving the car so far. Got a long way to go, but I figured I'd stop, get gas, and I need to buy a charger and a few other things in here, so that way I can actually make it. But check this out, dude. The dream. But let's go grab some food. So we got charger, water, gum, goddamn keys in my face. We got all that stuff. Now should be ready to hit the road. Got a long way ahead of us still. It's late. We're here at 7-Eleven, filling up. There's no 7-Elevens back home. We're about to get a picture, and I'll shoot like a little video right here. Hopefully nobody parks over there. But so far the trip's going good. Cannot complain. It's like a dream. It hasn't hit me yet that this is my GTR yet. But it's crazy. It's crazy. So can't believe it. Woke up and it's real life. Still got the GTR. So we're gonna wash the car now, but again, great trip. I wanted to record more, but honestly, I was just tired after flying all the way to Connecticut and then driving straight back. There's a lot of little complications, like little delays at the airport, but made it home yesterday really late. Now we're gonna actually give the GTR its first wash. So let's do this thing. So actually ended up washing the car, but the footage was not good for that, so do not have that. But yeah, we have the GTR. We have a few videos planned. I'm actually editing right now. My desk is a mess, but we got to do the last thing now that we have the GTR. Bam, the vision board. She can come off of it. I'm actually going to be making a video of updating my vision board for the future, since really the only thing I had on here was the GTR and subscribers for YouTube. So I'm gonna redo this vision board. But yeah, we got it. That's how you make your visions, dreams come true. You know, it's corny, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy.
I'm praying for better days, cause it gotta be more than this. Shit, it gotta be something else. It gotta be more than wealth. It gotta be more than health. It gotta be better places. Reunite with